birds and the bees have sex?
I don't know. It's always that talk about, like,
Speak louder.
the birds and the bees, like, you know, you need that talk about the birds and the bees. The birds and the bees do the do.
They do. How is a bee's penis fit in a bird?
Maybe it's the other
And
way
how would
around.
a bird thing fit in a bee's? Can you stop doing this, Lynn?
No.
Please?
No. My boots are falling.
Oh, do different kinds of bees have different kinds of things?
Are they all the same thing?
Are they all like hermaphrodites or whatever it's called, where they have some penis in it?
Why are they
Just say the word. I like to.
I had to. Okay. Anyway. I wonder if they have like. What's the stinger for? That's what I want to know. I mean, do they really need to sting something?
Do they? I thought they died when they stung stuff.
They do. Well, why do they die? And why would they sting someone if they know they're going to die?
I got a mosquito bite.
What about mosquitoes? Do they do the deal?
What about? I was just thinking about cats and dogs. You know, cats. What about turtles and cats?
I see turtles like that.
I think next time.
How do
They like
do it?
they like swirl around each other. And yeah, I'm turning into the Hulk. Yeah, tie that shirt. I got a fart.
Stop. Okay.
Let's go snake. I'll wear the boots. I'm gonna wear the boots.
Woo! Oh my god.
Oh, Chloe.
What are boots?
Take the boots off. Ew, it's stinky. Look at his face. We're exempt from this room. I like that thought.
Try not to breathe.
You should get this. Tell everybody's foot that they're oh yeah. I put that where they fit.
They fit Ashley?
I hope my butt got in there. Let's do the can. Ow! Do a can. Right foot first.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna make a rap about somebody.
Am
Yes, the thing is huge. And my not red high heels. What are these? Tan? Tan,
I
right?
can, cowboy boots.
I'll be back. These are cool. Can I take these home? Hey, don't you point no gun at me?
I'm gonna have your ass.
I want some tea.
I gotta pee.
What time is it? I don't have my phone up there.
We're going
Not an orange pen.
I hope I get photos tomorrow. Really do. Really do.
It's orange.
It kind of tickles me around my belly.
No, nigga.
Reminds me.
We need to talk about something.
Okay. Let's see here.
Who's that?
I'm ready to go home.
I think too. I'm just not having service.
Door! Door!
Ah!
Door!
Oh,
Yeah, I'm ready to go home.
Michelle just kicked them out the hallway because they were being too loud. But then we got kicked out of the hallway.
I'm ready to go home.
I'm ready to go see birds and bees. I say.
I know,
We need to look at it on the internet. We're gonna look at it on the internet.
When we get home for y'all, and then we'll make a video if they do.
My hair looks horrible.
Your mom.
Yeah, we'll get rid of it. We'll catch you up with the birds and bees. Look at us do the video. Do you think they do the video? I don't.
I think they do.
I know they do. They got to.
They have
But they're two different interests, you know. Like, the horses have sex with donkeys, right?
Right?
The bird can like eat the bee, and then cats have
like,
sex with raccoons.
I think, how were zebras made?
They're racially
They're like
confused.
black and white. I mean, like, they,
Look at that belly.
like a black horse and a white horse mix. You know, have a miniature pony.
How do giraffes get that tall? Long neck.
I want a long neck.
Ew, no, I don't.
Come suckle my long neck.
Ew, that'd be
Oh,
crazy.
I'm so skinny and stuff. I want to ride one.
I rode an elephant.
Me too. I rode on camels. Camels are
No,
nasty.
not,
But they live. Ooh, you're nasty too. Boy stuff around you. You can make that face all you want. It's not making nobody feel that. I love being skinny. Look at my big mole. Chris was my hand.
Molly.
And then
I just rolled to it. Make more mole. Melissa, open your mouth. I don't know. Oh. Woo! We died.
You know what?
Melissa, we're even recording.
The camera can't even see us.